Alright guys, this is the box break for Umiami89 for Bobby. A box of 0405 Fleer Ultra. And I know there's 24 packs in here and I'm a slow ass box breaker, so I'm gonna get this done really quickly. Alright. Screw it, I'm just gonna take all the packs out. This might take long. I really hope I don't have to break this into two parts. But okay, so here we go. 24 packs. Let's hope the cards don't stick together like my last box did. Best of luck, Bobby. I think you're guaranteed at least around like 2 jersey cards per box, I think. I don't know, hopefully I can pull you a lucky 13 platinum of Dwight Howard, your boy. Base. Insert of, oh, nice one. Kobe Bryant, Point Gods. Insert. And a Joe Smith gold medallion. Base. Alright. So if cards aren't sticking together. Okay, base. Insert of Corey Maggette, Scoring Kings. Pavel something rookie card. And Michael Finley gold medallion. Base. Alright, base. Gold medallion of Al Harrington. Base. Okay, base. Gold medallion of, ooh, that's a nice one. Is that his rookie? I think it's his rookie. J.R. Smith gold medallion rookie card. That's a nice rookie card. Andre Miller gold medallion. Base. Base. And Vladi Divac. Oh, platinum medallion numbered out of 100. 65 of 100. Vladi. And Devin George gold medallion. So Vladi was numbered out of 100. Yeah. 65 of 100. Base. So I hope that's not your platinum medallion. I hope that's not the only one you got out of this box. Base, and a Dorell Wright. I think that's it's Dorell Wright rookie card. And an Eddie Curry gold medallion. Base. Alright, doing okay on time. If I can get this under 10 minutes, call it a day. Base. Some of the cards are stuck together. Base. Kobe Bryant base. Bob Shura gold medallion. Yep. Base. No jersey so far. Base, and Scoring Kings, Dirk Nowitzki, insert. Quentin Richardson, gold medallion. Base. Oh man, I gotta sort these after. It's gonna be a huge pile of cards. Don't worry, I won't damage any of the cards. Base. Base. Nene Hilario, gold medallion. Base. Base. Rookie of Anderson Varejao. Nice. I think I got the same one in my box. And Eric Dampier gold medallion. Base. Alright. Base. Oh, what's this? Nice, a lucky 13 gold medallion of Josh Childress. That's one of the better ones. And Karan Butler gold medallion. Base. Okay, I'm over 5 minutes, and this is the last pack of the first stack, so I think this is gonna be 2 parts. Damn it. Base. Keith Bogan's gold medallion. Base. Yeah, that was base. Base. John Salmon's gold medallion. Is that his rookie? Nope, not rookie. John Salmon's gold medallion. Base. Base. Oh, nice. I got the same one in my box. Josh Smith, Ultra rookie card. And gold medallion of Carlos Arroyo. Base. Okay, base. Insert of Richard Hamilton scoring kings. And Kenny Thomas gold medallion. Base. And base. Darko Milicic. Oh, it's not his rookie. Gold medallion. Base. Okay, where are the hits? Base. Corey Maggette gold medallion. Base. Robert Swift lucky 13 gold medallion. Not bad. And Ha-Seong Jin rookie card. And Tracy McGrady gold medallion. Not bad. Okay, now where are the hits? Base. Earl Boykins gold medallion. Is there anything here? Base. D Wade base. Alright, gotta rush this. I think we have hit. Yep, we got our first hit here. And ooh, pretty nice one. Base. A nice Tim Duncan jersey card. This is the Season Crowns jersey card. Is it numbered? Oh, numbered 271 out of 349. So nice first hit. Sorry, I gotta rush through this. Chucky Atkins gold medallion. Base. Okay, 4 packs left. I'll do a recap in the end. Base. Insert of Paul Pierce, scoring kings, and Richard Hamilton gold medallion. 3 packs. Let's go. Alright. Sasha Vujacic for the Lakers rookie. And gold medallion of Morris Pearson. And 2 packs left. Alright, base. Oh, jersey card of Stephon Marbury. Scoring Kings jersey card. It's not numbered. And Andre Kirilenko gold medallion jersey. And last pack. Okay, get this in.